Okay, so I got a random thought. The Earth is spinning super fast, right? Like over 1,600 kilometers per hour. So what would happen if it just stopped? Would we all fly off into space?
Not really. You wouldn't fly into space. Well, unless you were at the equator when it happened. Let me explain. Right now, the Earth is spinning at about 1,670 kilometers per hour or 1,037 at the equator. That's faster than a jet plane. Everything on Earth, including you, me, bunnies, and even the air, moves with it. If the Earth suddenly stopped, Newton's first law kicks in. An object in motion stays in motion unless acted upon by an outside force. So everything that isn't attached to the ground, cars, buildings, people, would keep moving at 1,670 kilometers per hour. That means massive destruction. Skyscrapers would collapse, trees would be ripped from the ground, and entire cities would be destroyed by hurricane-force winds.
Okay, but let's say I survive the chaos. Then what?
Well, things would still get way worse. First, without Earth's rotation, we'd lose our 24-hour day. One side of the planet would be stuck facing the sun, turning into a scorching desert, while the other side would be in permanent darkness, freezing over. Think of it like Mercury. One side hot enough to melt lead, the other cold enough to freeze nitrogen.
Wait, what about gravity? Would that change?
Not exactly. Earth's gravity comes from its mass, not its spin, so you wouldn't float away. But here's something crazy. Our oceans would shift. Right now, Earth's rotation helps pull water toward the equator, creating a bulge. If the Earth stopped, that water would rush toward the poles, causing massive floods and exposing huge areas of land near the equator. Oh, and one more thing. The Earth's magnetic field would weaken. Our spinning core generates a magnetic shield that protects us from solar radiation. Without it, we'd be exposed to deadly solar storms, which could wipe out power grids and even cause genetic mutations.
Okay, note to self, let's not stop the Earth from spinning.
Yup, best to keep things moving. Luckily, there's nothing that could realistically stop the Earth from spinning, at least not for billions of years. So, no need to worry, our planet's got a pretty good thing going.
Don't worry, honey, on me, I won't worry much. But do you know what I am worrying about? Our comeback. So let's go inside and practice for our bunnies.